Hi everyone, welcome back. We are in week 12 and we're finishing up Susanna Kayson's memoir, Girl Interrupted. Again, this is a little bit of shorter book, so there's not quite as much to read. You will notice, I think it's in this section, that really the nonlinear format becomes even more apparent because there are characters who pass away or who leave the ward, and then in the next scene they'll just be there. So you have to know, again, she's bringing things up as they kind of come to her and as thematically she's remembering them. Another thing to note is that there is no lecture video this week. There is, however, an interview with the author. It's a very short interview. Susanna Kayson does not seem to like being interviewed from what I can tell. So the book was made into a movie. The movie changed a lot of things in the book, but it spoke to a lot of people just like the book did. But I think in part because of it, Kaysen kind of talks about how she didn't really relate to the book in some ways, and in other ways it was her life, but in many ways it wasn't. She also kind of feels at this point in time, she has done written interviews or things in print where she's talked about the fact that really the person she was at the time the incidents occurred was a different person than the person who wrote the book in the 1990s, and that now the person that she is in comparison to the person she was in the 1990s has also changed. So I think that that's kind of interesting because she hasn't disavowed the book completely, but she's kind of said, like, you know, I've written other things that I relate to more because this is something that took place when I was 18 and now I'm in my 60s and I don't really, that's not how I see myself anymore. So I just think it's fascinating how much we change and grow, and some of the things from the author in the interview this week reflect a lot of those changes. But I hope that you enjoy the book, and I can't wait to see what you have to say about it. Thanks.